So you might have heard or seen on all the Sew Over It channels that you're obviously watching 24/7 that we have recently released a brand new ebook. So we are all about the everyday edit at the moment. If you want to find out specifically about that ebook and all the different patterns and all the different variations and all the wonderfulness that is within that, then I have done an introduction to the Everyday Edit vlog, which we'll link below. So if you're all about the pattern details for the moment, go check that one out. And then there'll also be another vlog coming in the future, which is going to be all about the fabric that we used in those samples that are in the ebook, including my lovely Astrid top that I've got on. So that will come in the future. For now, I thought I'd be less of a diva and maybe we'll talk to some more people about the ebook and about maybe what we're going to make.
Yeah.
And we've got a few fabrics in stock, so we thought we'd talk through some of the fabrics that we've got here that's on the website at the moment and see how they pair with the Everyday Edit patterns, because we've got 6 to choose from. We got a range of lovely fabrics to choose from, and I think there are some favourites here.
Yeah.
So maybe Chloe, do you want to go first with
Because
your thoughts?
Well, so I've got my eye on making a Jacinta blouse. And I think out of all of those ones, for me, I want to choose something a bit more statement.
Yes.
Because then I'd match it with like jeans and the dress, which would be more of a subtle colour. So what I would go for is actually, we've had it for a little while, but I really love it. And it's this orange, what would we call it?
Jacquard?
That's it. So you can say it's got a bit of shimmer, it's nice and drapey.
We can't like overstate how nice this
I
fabric
know.
is in real life. I feel like maybe it doesn't show so clearly in photos, but it's really got this sort of subtle shimmer to it.
Yeah, and it's just really like, it just feels quite luxe because it's quite shiny. And I think with something like the blouse, especially the Jacinta, it would just look really nice with the collar.
Gorgeous.
Just the right amount of drape.
Yeah, and
it's so soft. I think what I love on Jacinta is where the sleeve, you've got a little pop and then it gathers into the cuff as well. And that, you know, is sort of going to just sort of really softly gather. Or when you tuck it into your trousers, it's going to be like,
Blouse.
and like with the jacket, it's got a little bit more, rather than like this is a chalet, which also would work really beautifully. This has just got a bit more structure. So make it a little bit more, tiny little bit more drama with when the gathers.
And so pretty. But this would make a statement if we show them, because look at this. This is a viscose chalet, did you say? Lovely.
So this is really like silky drapey.
Feels gorgeous.
Oh,
like
it's really soft.
And this just with jeans, that's such a stunning outfit. Straight away.
I really like it. It's still got the vibrant pop of the colours.
Yes,
you're
It's got the orange in
you
there.
love the orange.
And this blue, that sort of cornflower blue, I really like. But yeah, I mean, you pair it with like a navy.
Perfect.
And very classy.
Rosemary trousers in navy, just into blouse in floaty floral. Yes, please.
But then also just put it with some denim.
Yes.
Feels a bit more
even
weekend.
better. Look at that.
Feels a bit more weekend.
because you've got all the blues.
All of the blues. That's
blues.
true. You've got the light and the dark blues. That's gorgeous. So a dress, a clementine pinafore or
Yes, in this.
In that.
With the lovely soft blouse.
That'd be beautiful.
Oh,
It's so nice.
It's just quite romantic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whereas-
I like it.
Whereas obviously I do that bit more drama,
Love
real
it.
statement, suddenly a bit more 60s, a bit more
Yes,
like with the collar coming out, and also you could
Interesting.
line the pockets of the
In
that.
Yes.
Because this would also make a really good lining colour.
Yes.
And a lining fabric for a pop of colour.
Yes. Oh, stunning.
That's what I do.
Choices.
Oh my goodness. A very strong start.
I know.
Now stepping away.
Big plans.
Big plans.
That's so good.
There we go. We're back.
Okay.
So, who's next? What would you do, Alba?
I'm gonna carry on with colour as well. I'm gonna go over here.
Okay.
Sorry, let's swap. That's
What
easier.
colour are you?
Mustard. I love mustard. So it's not for everyone, but I love purple and mustard together.
Yeah, so nice.
I really like that combination.
And this is a nice deep mustard. It's
Deep,
more like a
yes.
goldy.
And it's a canvas.
It's a canvas, yes. So a canvas would work for quite a few things in the ebook,
Well, that's
actually,
the good thing
which is
about
very
the ebook
useful.
is that a lot of these fabrics will work for a lot of different types, so you can like have a matching set galore.
Yes, please.
Like Lena's matching Farley and Rosemary.
I've just thought of something.
Oh.
A cropped Farley
Yeah.
on top of a clementine pinafore in
Oh,
matching.
matching.
Cute.
That would be cute.
That's really cute.
That would be so cute. That hadn't
No.
occurred to me until this
Yeah.
very second. But because I would love a pinafore in this colour,
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
that would be so nice.
So wearable.
To wear on top of just a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like a very subtle lilac. Well, actually, on top
Yeah,
of my
absolutely.
right, that
I like
colour, and then a little matching Farley jacket on top.
Nice.
Yes, please. Okay,
Yeah,
but
very
also the matching Farley and rosemary trousers. Beautiful,
Yeah.
Yes.
stunning, and yeah,
Because
gorgeous.
you could go like really bold with the button choice then, couldn't you?
Also, that's
Like
so
in the other
true.
colours.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like
Possibilities.
that. The possibilities are endless. And to me, this would be a neutral. It's a one colour. That's neutral.
Yeah, plain.
Plain is neutral. Plain is neutral. Even though bright. So absolutely love this one. But I do also, and I've lost it now, there was a stripy denim
Oh,
somewhere.
yeah.
Yes.
Let me pass this over to you.
Thank you. Also an adorable clementine pinafore in this.
This is a really nice weight denim.
Yes.
gorgeous.
Feels really nice.
Yeah, it's not too heavy.
No, it's not
No.
too heavy, not too light.
And I would quite like the pinafore with the gathered skirt.
Yes,
So
you
this would be
yeah.
better, right?
Yes.
Rather than a thicker denim, because
Exactly
you do need to
that.
gather the skirt.
Yeah.
And you don't want something too
heavy.
I think. So this would really work. And
I'd like to see it in the stripes as well, how that
Right.
like how that goes.
could have a little, a little play. Maybe the skirt is the stripes the other way around than the
Yeah.
bodice
Or
or
like
something.
the,
I don't know.
The princess seam panels. If
Yes.
you could, like have a different angle on the side would be quite cool.
That's interesting. Ooh, I quite like that. So many ideas. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful denim. And of course, as we said, this would also work for other patterns in the ebook. So denim and canvas are quite a good one to like cover all bases, I feel.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, and I think like the range of weights you get in denim canvas,
Also.
canvas and sort of corduroy needle cord.
Needle cord. There
as
is
well.
a needle cord.
We've
somewhere.
got 2 needle
Yes.
cords. And we have a corduroy as well, which is very big and couldn't fit on the
We
table.
could fit it. We'll put a
Um,
picture up,
chunky.
maybe. Too chunky. But needle cord, obviously, it gives you the effect of the corduroy, but it's much drapier,
Exactly,
much
much
softer.
softer.
So it's a good one for the clementine dress,
The dress,
definitely. The
My
Farley-
jackets.
Oh, yeah, yours
was
was.
needle cord. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah,
Very
definitely.
nice.
I think it's quite good because if you're in a fabric shop and you don't know what you want,
That's the thing.
if you buy anything in that sort of weight,
It's going to work for something in
yeah,
the book.
yeah, exactly,
Yeah.
you're covered.
That's so true. So Rosie obviously has made about 176 samples for the ebook.
She's back for more.
I've got some stuff on the shelf over there, which I am ready to sew up, but I am ready for more as well.
So what's missing?
Yeah, what's
You
What's
want-
missing? Well, I'm going to say nothing technically is missing. What do I want?
Yeah, what do you want
That's
in
it.
your colours?
It's, I was really jealous of Lena's Astrid in the kind of ochre mustardy
Yes.
yellow jersey.
And that's what you're wearing,
This
right?
is, yeah, this is
So
the
your pattern is
Astrid.
what you're wearing.
So yeah, this is a cotton jersey, and then it's got elastane in it. And what you want for Astrid is the only thing in the whole ebook which we're maybe a little bit more strict about the fabric that you're going to use is you want that elastane content, so it's got really good recovery, and then it stays really nice and snug here. So like moving about, getting on with your day, nothing is letting this neckline go.
No.
And these jerseys have that, and sometimes it's a bit tricky to find, especially if you're shopping online and stuff like
Yeah.
that. These are gorgeous.
Lovely.
Great recovery. The
Yeah.
colours are rich. Obviously you've got the cream one as well, which I've already got a cream mustard, so I don't need another one.
Yeah.
Let's be
But it's
honest.
also
But you
good-
do.
What's the opacity? How do you say it?
Opacity, yes, that's
You
true.
can't see through it.
Yeah, especially if you're getting like the lighter colours, you want it to be.
You want to know
Yeah, you're covered.
That's such a good point.
that. Exactly.
Because some jerseys are, the recovery basically, if you don't have that elastane in it, they
Yeah.
might kind of droop out
Yeah,
of shape
yeah,
with
yeah.
wear, which
No.
is not what you want for something that's a very fitted jersey top
Exactly.
or bodysuit.
Or bodysuits.
Even
exactly.
less droopy.
No,
Because I
it's
did
baggy
make a
down there.
sample in the wrong type of jersey
Oh,
before I made
yes.
this one, and that's how that's why I'm
Discovered.
more strict on this,
You like
because
that.
I know it didn't work.
Absolutely
So yeah,
fair.
look for something like these guys with elastane content, or it definitely has to say like really good recovery,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
those guys have.
Amazing.
I think my other choice actually that I would wear with this yellow jersey, sorry here, is this same denim that you took.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, those colours together actually.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
But I think for me it would be trousers.
Yes, fair.
Some rosemary trousers, and I think maybe they are leaning into some more springy colours.
Yeah, that's true. But the
Yeah,
book is forever.
That's true. It's sewing.
You have to bring your sunshine with you, don't you?
Yes.
But also, like this denim, although it's a bit lighter, would still work with darker stuff. Still work with like a black
Yeah.
t-shirt.
Yeah,
on
of
top,
course.
or a black
Do you know what?
bottom.
I know you wouldn't, but I quite like it with this colour.
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
So like the sort of
We
darker.
could do a jacket in the
Oh,
burgundy
To go over the rosemary
this
trousers.
with my cream Astrid. We've got an outfit.
Outfit
We've
done.
got an outfit.
That's
great.
incredible.
I'm done. I'm sorted.
Love it. But you're right, yeah, the darker colour
I do,
does
yeah,
work still.
I do
You're
quite
right.
like
Yeah.
So
yeah.
nice.
Like you say, you're just bringing the light.
Yes.
in winter.
Within you.
Wear what you want,
I
everybody.
love that.
Wear what you want.
Absolutely.
But yeah, I
So-
think they're my next
Exciting.
exciting things.
Amazing.
Yeah, well, I am in a coat, so
Yes.
and I'm so glad that it's early autumn because normally I get in this mood in about February.
And
And I'm like, oh, I
oh,
should be in a
spring.
coat 4 months ago. But now I'm ready to hit the ground running, and we've got 2 really, really, really nice walls. I actually really like both these colours.
Gorgeous.
But you guys know that this is my all-time favourite colour.
Yeah.
I mean,
And look at it with this
exactly.
Naomi dress.
Yeah, that
Stunning.
would be
All
really
to go
nice.
together, right?
And that's what you want with a coat. You want it to go with everything that you have, so that you can
Yes.
just
Exactly.
you can wear it the most.
Exactly. And these the same or very, very similar to the coats that you made the samples in, so we know that they work so well. They're going to be cozy, they're going to be lovely. And because they're plain and not too like loud, I feel like you can go so much more fun with the lining.
Yes, that's true.
So
I
like
mean, like orange.
orange.
She's like, yes.
You can pull that off. But I was thinking,
No,
look
yeah.
at this one, because this has got
Yes, this actually has both. Could work with both of them.
That's
couldn't it?
nice.
pop of orange, pop of green.
That's classy.
Beautiful.
Or this.
Oh,
This I
what's
love.
this?
Yeah.
For like that rich jewel,
Oh.
winey sort
The
of colour.
tones are the same now.
This is a viscose dobby,
Ooh.
so it's got a tiny flex in there, so it makes it
really catches the
Yeah.
eye. It's really lovely weight fabric.
Oh, this is gorgeous together.
Yeah.
That's
Right?
a posh coat,
Right.
isn't it?
It's in it.
Can we hold
Like
it
high
up?
end.
Yeah.
Like, can you see? I can't see it. We're very far from the camera.
You'll see it on the website.
Perfect.
That'd be nice.
Stunning.
as a
So
lining.
that's what
So
I'm in the
warm.
mood for, yeah. And I think probably the short one because I love the short version
Yeah.
with tights, boots. That is
Yes.
It
Cute.
goes
Exactly.
with dresses more, doesn't it?
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very true.
So that's the plan.
Oh,
Nice.
love it.
So I feel like we've got our work cut out for
So,
us.
I know. Any more honourable mentions of
Oh, let's
what we
mention
can
this one.
envisage?
Oh yeah, I love
Because
this.
this is really nice.
I love
This
that.
is stretch cotton.
It's
Stretch
really
cotton.
soft, like really
Yeah.
soft.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
It's
Surprising.
really soft, and it's like blue on blue. So normally
Yeah.
with gingham, the background is white, and then you've got like the
That's
colour in
true.
the crisscross. But this has got a pale blue background, and then a
And
lovely
it would look
navy.
lovely with cream or the
Yes,
Nice.
very nice.
So perfect for trousers, perfect
Yeah.
for Farley.
I mean, a whole set of matching
Whole set.
Farley and rosemary
Yes.
trousers would look very cool.
Really nice that one.
So
Yeah.
nice. And we've got, there's a needle cord under here that
Oh,
I need
little
to
se-
mention.
little
A
pink.
little pink.
Oh, this is really
Such a... It was gonna happen.
Oopsie. This is really similar to the
Ooh.
fabric that you use.
Yes.
Yeah.
To my jacket.
and this
Which
is
I think is the thing out of all the samples that I've worn the most.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
it's just reach.
You
reach
throw
for
it on,
Reach for
throw it over
Yeah.
anything.
And
really.
usually, like, I'd go dark with coats, but with a jacket, it's nice to have a light one,
Yes.
isn't it? Like a light
Yeah.
colour.
And also then it takes you from autumn to spring,
Yeah,
to
that's
summer
it.
even. I mean, who
yeah.
knows?
And because on Farley as well, you can have a little bit of fun because you've got the inside pocket, which we've done so you can see when you open it, you see the right side of the pocket
Yeah.
fabric. So you see the good side when you
Yeah.
open your jacket. And actually, these are sitting next to each other. So if we have this pink,
And like a
Oh,
darker pink.
and
that's
this is
really
your pocket
nice.
bags
Oh.
sitting
Yeah.
inside. How cute!
That's lovely.
yeah. And then imagine pairing that with some rosemary trousers. And
Oh my god, it's happening!
See, it
That's
writes
nice.
itself.
It does, honestly. So many options, so many choices, and yeah, these fabrics are all online, so go and check them out. We'll put the link below if you want to find out about in more detail about all the patterns that we mentioned very casually here. Although you will have seen pictures, so you can envisage them, but find out all of the nitty gritty details. From the intro vlog that Rosie filmed, which we'll link to below. Look forward to the vlog about the samples.
Yeah, yeah.
Why not?
Deep dive.
Deep dive into the samples. And yeah, the ebook is on offer until Friday. And so it would be silly not to take advantage of that, if we're being honest. So go and take a look at that. And yeah, all the details are below. Thank you so much for joining us today. And we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.